Please, people, if you are renovating, I don't know how many inquiries I get that have already got plans, got engineering, got soil testing. They've spent probably upwards of $10,000 on plans, all for them to find out that their budget is not big enough. And even just some of the applications coming through, quite often I can see with the plans attached and some of the questions we ask in them early stages, we can give people some pretty good guidelines on where kind of our extensions and renovations start from, depending on whether they got bathrooms, bedrooms, all that sort of stuff. We track that much data now so that we have so much information to be able to go back through our existing projects. And some can be a couple of years old, but it's a very, very good way of being able to get a guideline on where budget needs to be before doing it. Because going to see a designer, and this sometimes annoys me because the designers really should know better to try and get them to find a builder, because at the end of the day, the builder understands the pricing. Working off square meterage rates does not work. I've had square meterage rates down to $1,000 and square meterage ups to $10,000. It just doesn't work with the projects we have. Maybe in new houses, you can get it to work in regards to there's an overall size, there's not as many surprises. But with renovations, it ideally works on a room by room basis or per area, or being able to sort of work out, hey, kitchen starts from X amount of dollars, bathroom start from X. If we're breaking into roof lines and extending out, this is generally where they start from and go up from there. So please reach out and find a builder before you go and get all your plans done. At worst case scenario, at least get a prelim plan done so we've got a bit of an idea. But ideally, before we go and see the designer and all that sort of stuff, we can give you a good direction on where budget needs to be to save you wasting tens of thousands of dollars to then either get redesigns or something that was never feasible to start off with. So please do it. It kind of annoys me because you guys as clients that are coming through just waste so much time and effort and energy that really it could have been done with a simple hour conversation in our consults, is where we can generally get a pretty good understanding of where we need to head. So, yeah, please, people, make sure you find a builder before you start doing any of your design.